Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This one is different to the recent videos. This is a summary of my wildlife and exotic animal cases over the years, and we start off with my post-Hurricane Irma relief mission to the BVI. I'm only able to share a few short clips from memory lane, but out there I was working with flamingos, I was working with lemurs, with surgeries, medical management, parrots, tortoises, the whole works. So sit back and enjoy. Hopefully you like this. Very good grip, good posture, definitely a stronger bud. You ready to go free? Igor, let's do this, man. Let's do this. Who's a happy camper? Who's a happy camper? Morning, Charles. Yeah, it's like a little on Bambi story, but tarantulas might be a maybe for some. Guinea pigs are so cute and furry. Oh my god. But we do have the odd seaboard case coming with like injured wings, injured legs. So I've been with snakes my whole life basically, so expect some videos coming. I've also been working on ocean cleanups on and under the water. But the bread and butter of my wildlife experience would be my work with sea turtle and ocean spirits in Grenada. So here's a few more clips. Expect loads of videos to come soon on this field. If you like sea turtles, you like working in research, you like wildlife conservation, then you would definitely like this channel and the content that we're going to be sharing with you.
So
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment below if you need to.